all of our clients have multi-entity environments, minimum of 3 and up to uh, 30, 35 entities that will have activity going on and will be owned in sort of different holding companies and different strategic partnership structures and so on. So we deal with clients across, all the sectors really, from biotech to entertainers. And their chart of accounts got a little bit different. The way they want to kind of look at the financial performance of their business is going to be significantly different. And for companies that are growing fast, speed is a big deal. SoftLedger has been really fantastic to have in the toolbox for us. You can implement it very quickly, anywhere from 2 weeks to maybe 5 weeks, and you're rolling. It's designed with multi-entity at the heart of it. So handling intercompany transactions and handling consolidations and consolidated reporting is super important. The reporting functionality is fast, and there's a lot of customization that you can do in the reporting, including by implementing custom dimensions. And so customizing that in terms of how the reporting comes out, not just the chart of accounts, but just how you look at the reporting itself is very easy to do in SoftLedger. There's more transparency to sort of the debits and credits that are happening when you make an entry. You're getting transparency to the accounts that transaction, that if you click, submit, the accounts that it's going to post to. And the impact is that fewer errors happen. It creates the ability for the business to see what's going on and make strategic decisions about it. So the outcome is better reporting, to put it simply. Implementing SoftLedger, you're cutting that time and the risk around doing that. You're eliminating it. It's not hard to do. In a situation where you have maybe 3 or more entities and you're using, let's say, QuickBooks, could cut the amount of time it takes to get through that whole process of correctly coding on every entity, reconciling all the accounts, closing the books. At least 20%. Speed of implementation, the price point for the value is really, really solid. And the speed of implementation has a huge impact on cost. So those two things for clients who are in this kind of 5 million to 50 million top line space, multi-entity, that has made it easy to sell.